Hello everyone. Tonight's video is going to be a clean with me, and I will be tidying up my kitchen right before I go to bed. I would like to thank all of my returning subscribers. Thumbs up to you all, and to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining the family. And if you're just passing through and decide to stop and watch my video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Like it, comment, and share my video. Love you guys, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do. So this is the mess that I have. I'm gonna clean and wipe down my kitchen table. Then I have to get up the trash. As you can see, the dishwasher is already empty and ready for the dirty dishes. So I will be washing my dishes. For the ones that cannot fit, I have to throw away that pile of mess right there in that pan. I'm going to clean and wipe down my countertops real good. I'm going to clean and wipe my stove. And these dishes here are clean, and I will be putting those away. I will not mop tonight. I will be mopping in the morning, but I am going to sweep. This air freshener I got from the Dollar Tree, and I like to put them in the bottom of all my trash can to keep the trash can smelling good. As I put up the clean dishes, I'm just straightening up the pots and pans underneath the cabinet.